Hello and welcome to the first tutorial in the ExamSoft exam taking process, installing SofTest. This is also the first step you need to take to get set up to take an exam using ExamSoft. Let's not waste any more time, let's get started. First, let's open our browser and navigate to www.examsoft.com/FCSL. Be sure to use Safari, Chrome, or Firefox because ExamSoft may not function properly when using Internet Explorer. We are looking at the ExamSoft login page. Let's go to the Exam Taker section and enter our C number. The C number is the letter C plus the 6 digits of your Florida Coastal email. Now let's enter our password. Our password is the last 6 digits of our Social Security number. If our last 6 of our Social Security number begins with a 0, then we have to change the 0 to a 1. Okay, so we have entered our C number and our password, but before we log in, let's check next to Remember Me so we don't have to type our C number again the next time we sign in. One more thing before we log in. Just below the login fields, we can see that ExamSoft provides some general information videos, a support link, and a way to get additional information. We are ready to log in. If for some reason our login credentials didn't work, we would contact Academic Technology at academictechnology@fcsl.edu for assistance. Okay, we have logged in and now the Getting Started with SofTest screen appears. We have 3 steps to complete. Step 1 is to verify that our computer meets the minimum requirements to successfully run the ExamSoft software. Not having the right requirements could result in ExamSoft not working properly for you. We have the appropriate system requirement, so let's move on to step 2, which is to install and register SofTest. ExamSoft makes it super easy by providing instructions on what to do, so let's follow the on-screen directions and click Download. After reading the agreement, we select I accept. We will see a series of on-screen directions to complete the download. Just keep in mind that the on-screen instructions may differ from machine to machine. Once our download is complete, the SofTest registration screen opens. To register, we enter our C number and password, then select Registration. A registration confirmation screen appears, which shows us that we have downloaded and registered SofTest successfully. In addition, an email notification is sent to our Florida Coastal email letting us know we have successfully registered SofTest to our computer. It is also asking us to download exams. Let's go ahead and click Yes. We can see available exams, which are mock exams. We'll take a look at this later. Downloading exams is part of the next tutorial. So for now, let's finish our final step in getting our SofTest setup completed. Once we get out of the Download Exam screen, we land on the SofTest home page screen. There are 2 items we need to take a look at before we move on. First, our registration shows complete. If for some reason it didn't show as complete, then we would have to try installing again. Now let's take a look at the expiration date. The SofTest registration is only good for 1 year. That doesn't mean 1 year from your download date. Registration expires each year on August 31st for everyone, regardless of when SofTest was downloaded. This means everyone will have to uninstall and reinstall SofTest. Okay, let's go back to the Getting Started with ExamSoft SofTest screen. We still have one more step to complete, which is setting up notifications. What are notifications? Notifications are email or text messages letting us know a couple of important things like successful registration notices, exams ready for download, and most importantly, a successful exam upload message. We have the option to receive text message notifications in addition to email notifications. The email notifications are automatic and will be sent to our FCSL email. If we want to set up text notifications, we click the Select Carrier drop-down menu and make the appropriate selection. Then we go to the phone number field and enter a valid cell phone number. Lastly, we select Save. One last thing I would like to point out, if you have any problems during the ExamSoft setup and need additional support, ExamSoft provides a support email address and phone number in the bottom right corner of your screen. Okay, we have downloaded and registered SofTest to our computer. This means we are ready for the next step, which is to download and launch an actual exam. Join me in the next tutorial where we will download mock exams. See you next time.